Hey guys, just want to do a quick review on this cordless HART vacuum. It's a product that my wife and I have really come to like. Never done a review before, but we like it so much that I wanted to put this video out there. So what we like most is we have hardwood Brazilian floors here in the dining room. We have high pile carpet right here in our living room, and upstairs we have low pile carpet. This thing is just so easy to grab. Before this, my kids didn't really like to vacuum, and it was a chore just to tell them to do it. We have an expensive Kirby vacuum that weighs more than my wife does, so it was just really hard to get it out. This thing, you just grab it and you go, and it's light. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started, and we'll see how it does. And by the way, our floors aren't this messy. This is just for demo purposes. We spilled some baking soda right here, and we also have some right there on the carpets. All right, so let's get started. So right now we have the floor attachment on. This thing comes with several attachments. And the cool thing about the floor attachment is it is powered, which means it has spinning brushes. And that's for hard to pick up stuff. I turned on the spinning brushes just now, as you can tell. It has a nice LED light. And right now, this is the setting that we normally use for the hardwood floors. It turns the brushes off so you don't have to be too hard on your hardwood. And then it says easy as a simple touch of a button. And it turns it right back on, and it transitions right over. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, with just that one pass, the difference in the color. But let's go ahead and turn it back on, and we'll finish vacuuming that up. The other thing is, this is really cool, so you can just lay it right down and get underneath the bed, which I had no idea how much stuff we had underneath our bed. But after vacuuming under our bed, this whole canister, I really like this product. Not only do I like it, but my kids love it. I don't have to argue with them to do chores anymore, so it's definitely worth the money for me. I give it a thumbs up. Great product.